What's up, gang? We are here at the gas station, just about to go up north for our amazing epic racing days coming up the whole weekend. Now watch this awesome car. Bam! Whoa! Look at the tires. Woo! Just kidding, guys. We're actually at the place of one of the owners, one of the guys is gonna be traveling with us. His place called Dream Auto, and it's packed with all this awesome sports car. So today is the first day where we're gonna travel up north. We're gonna head up for a place called Funäsdalen, and over there they're gonna have a racing time on ice on this lake, and it's gonna be crazy every day now forward from tomorrow and Saturday, and then heading home on Sunday. I'm here with Silver. It happens to be that he's on social media, he's hustling, he's doing his grind too, on similar basis that I'm doing with the content out there, selling it to companies. And I'm just wanting to give him a shout out. Silver, you know.
Thanks a lot.
What's your favorite car over here?
In this place, I think it would be the Lamborghini Aventador.
All right.
Yeah, it's a spider one over there, the orange one.
All right, guys. So a little update on our journey. Basically, it's gonna take around 5 or 6 hours to head up to the place we are planning to the place we want to be, called Funäsdalen. I'm here with my buddy Thomas. He's driving the Porsche. What was the brand name? Panamera. Awesome car. Feels really safe. And it feels good because we are actually heading on quite a big storm, according to the weather report. Now, weather reports are weather reports, but I can already see that it's heavily snowing. And what they said at the news was that, guys, do not drive your cars, stay at home. And well, we're not. So let's see what happens. We are like 3 hours away from getting to the place, and just took a little break, had a coffee. So it feels good. It's windy, but it's not that cold. And I mean, for the moment, it's all right. It's going really good. It's our second stop. It's snowing so heavily, so Eric's gonna just clean some details that some snow that has come into the car that he just need to get rid of. Other than that, it's just worked really smoothly. I mean, this is up north in Sweden, so you gotta expect snow. And second of all, McLaren shouldn't be in the winter time out there driving, but it's not so fun. We are at our last stop before we reach the destination, and it's like this little town, trying to find some food. Everything is closing down except this little gas station, and it's packed with people. All right, guys, we are finally here. It's dark outside, so I can't really show you how the area looks like, but tomorrow we're gonna fly the drone, we're gonna try everything, and let's see if I could give you the best picture of what's going on.